So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy comedy show tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, go to the bottom left and press on buy. Once you're on the buy page, go to the top left to change your location so you can use your current location. You can also select the location if you're going somewhere. I'll just keep Boston for this example. Now, to find comedy show tickets, slide this top bar over to where it says shows. Make sure that shows is selected. Now it's going to go ahead and show you a bunch of different shows. So you can go ahead and kind of just scroll down. There's a variety of different shows. So for example, Noel Miller, he's a comedian. If you wanted to go ahead and view him, you can go ahead and press on that, then press on his date. It'll show you a view of the facility or the stadium or whatever. And you can go ahead and press some tickets right there. If all looks good, go ahead. You can see sort of a view right here. Press continue. Now, once you're here, you can go show details if you want to go ahead and check the price. If you want to change the payment method, you can select Apple Pay, PayPal, credit or debit, or Affirm. Make sure your seats are together, as well as verify the section and the row. And if all looks good, go to the bottom and press buy to proceed with the transaction. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy comedy show tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.